Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how you can easily install BitcoinZ Android wallet. It's actually really simple. First of all, you need to open Google Play, search for BitcoinZ. So you can see on the left side, this is the correct and official wallet. Click OK, install. I have already installed it, so I'm just going to open it. I'm going to send now BitcoinZ from my personal phone to my tablet PC. So let's put it to the test. First of all, you need to click, just a second so you'll see better. Okay, let's click receive. On my phone, let's click send. Let's scan the code. Okay, we have the address. I'm just going to send like, I don't know, maybe like 1 BTC. Well, I'm not sure if that's even possible. Okay, add memo, test for YouTube. Slide to send, correcting transaction, payment sent. Okay. Wow, that's crazy. Look at that. It take less than 2 seconds. Wow, I'm impressed. That's like really fast. Crazy. I love it. Okay, just please keep in mind that it was included in the blog, but it's still unconfirmed. So we can check our status on blockchain, open Insight. Wow, it was confirmed. Yeah, just before I take the video, like 10 seconds ago, it was still unconfirmed. But actually it's still very fast compared to some others.